Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add Vignette effects in DaVinci Resolve. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to add Vignette effect in DaVinci Resolve, all you gotta do is simply go in DaVinci Resolve. Once you're in DaVinci Resolve, you need to simply use the edits page and go to effects library. After you have done this, you need to search for Vignette and simply drag it onto your clip. Now you can use the inspector to adjust your size, softness, color, and position, including using advanced mode for more control. Alternatively, you can use the color page by adding a node and a power window that is circle to subtly darken the edges for a more integrated look. So this is how you can add Vignette effects in DaVinci Resolve. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.